In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate to your order history on Shein. Whether you're revisiting an old purchase or keeping tabs on a recent buy, knowing how to efficiently find your orders is super handy. Let's dive into it. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and go to the Shein website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't logged in yet, no worries, just click on the login option and enter your credentials. Now that you're logged in, let's locate your profile, which is usually represented by an icon often found in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Here you'll want to look for and click on the My Orders link. This is where the magic happens. Now that you're in your My Orders section, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your recent and previous orders. At first glance, it might only show the most recent purchases, but don't worry. To see an extensive list, you should click on the button labeled All Orders. This will give you a detailed history of your shopping activities on Shein, spanning as far back as your earliest purchases. If there's a specific order you're looking for, you can conveniently search by the order date, the status, or even the item name to find exactly what you need. This process is straightforward, but a few tips can make it even smoother for you. Firstly, bookmark the Shein website on your browser for quick access in the future. This way, it's right there in your toolbar when you want to visit. And if you're a regular Shein shopper, consider using either their desktop or mobile app, as they often have additional features and notifications that make checking your orders even easier. Remember, being able to quickly and efficiently manage your orders not only helps in keeping track of your spending, but also proves beneficial in case you need to reference an order for returns or exchanges. Now you're all set to navigate your order history with ease anytime you shop on Shein. There you have it, a simple guide to accessing your order history on Shein. Whether it's ensuring your latest fashion find is on its way or revisiting an old favorite, you've got the tools you need to stay on top of your orders. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and informative. Thanks for tuning in.